Okay, here we are at Snap Circuits 750 Extreme, and we're going to build project number 513 from the 750 manual. That's called Electronic Rain. This is supposed to make a low-frequency oscillator. So, we're going to look at our number one part, and it's going to use both of our batteries. And the first battery is going to go right at the G1, so we can place it on G1. Kind of going to stick off of the side of the board there. And the next battery is going to go right next to there. Oh. We're also going to have a C3 capacitor, which you might remember from earlier kits. It looks like this. So that C3 capacitor is going to go to C1 over here. On the side. Then we're going to have the SP speaker. That speaker this project will not be of any use without speaker because we have to hear the sound. So that's going to go at C9. So now we'll also have an antenna coil A1. So we're going to put that on. Oh wait, I'm reading the wrong thing. We're supposed to put an RV on now. That RV is the adjustable dimmer. That's going to adjust the rate of the rain. So the lowest is going to be drizzle, and the highest is going to be pouring rain. So that's going to go over at A2. A2 right over here. We're going to have a TI, and this is what it looks like. This is a 750 exclusive part, and it's supposed to, they don't say what it's supposed to do, and I don't exactly know, but it's going to go at C7. And over here, right next to the speaker. And we're going to have a Q2. The Q2 NPN is going to go triangular shaped at E3. E somewhere. Gotta take this off to see the numbers on the board. Here, E3. Right next to the batteries. And we're also going to have what looks like a 6. Come on, get the 6 out. Oh, here. That 6 is going to go from F6 to the top. F6. Okay, F6 right over here. And we're going to also have... I think that's all for level 1 parts. So we're going to move on to level 2, and we're going to have a 2 connecting the 2 batteries. So much 2s. And we're going to have another 2 connecting the TI and the 6. And we're going to have another 2 connecting the TI and the speaker. And this is the board state right now. Okay, next up is the R4 resistor. The R4 resistor looks like this, and you might have seen this before. And A4 goes up connecting the RV and the 6 right there. Then we're going to have an A1 antenna coil, which is commonly found in all the Snap Circuits kits, well, except Arcade and Junior. So, that A1 antenna coil, it's supposed to oscillate the thing. It looks like this, right side up. And that's going to go connecting the, we haven't put that 2 on yet. You should put that on. It's exclusive to this. Now we're going to put that on to C5. Over here, and now we can put that antenna coil connecting the TI and the 2. And we're going to also have a 3 that's going to go. It's going to go over at connecting the Q2 and the RV. Except the only problem is, wait. Did something not right? Yeah, I misplaced this part. Except, gonna have to get it off. This is extreme there. Okay, we're gonna put stuff on there. And the 3 can safely go on like that. So now we're going to have, what's next? We have a 2 that we need to apply, connecting the speaker and the TI right over here. We also have another 2, yes, that we need to apply, connecting the B1 battery and the 6 that we put on earlier. And I think, we have 2 ones that we need to apply. I'll go ahead and get one from the stack. I have another one ready. Oh, that's 2. Excuse me. I really don't need this right now. One, I can't deal with you. I'm not going to waste time taking apart that, so I'm going to go ahead and real quick grab data from this box. Junior box. And we're going to apply those 2 ones onto the 4 that we haven't put on yet, which is very strange that we haven't put on that. So we're going to put on that 4. That's going to go connecting the Q2 to the TI, like so. It's going to cross over that 6. We're going to have the 1. Oh, wait. Oh, that's going to be raised up because we don't want that connecting there, do we? That's why we put it here. It just goes there. So now we're going to be having another, oh my god, 3 more ones? I can't believe it. Well, I don't have that much ones. 3 more. Well, I do. We'll have a 2 here. We want 3. There. Okay. We've got 1 of the 3. Now I just need to tear apart the others. And I really don't want to mess with that. So I'm going to once again see if there's 2 in that arcade kit. Any ones? Yeah, there's 2 ones free. Okay. We've got now 3 ones, and those 3 ones are gonna go under they're gonna go where 3 is gonna be shortly enough. The other ones are gonna go at connection where a C4 capacitor is gonna go. And the last one is supposed to, excuse me, we didn't need 3 of those things. Well, I'm just going to add it to our collection of ones in this box. Well, that 1 is going to go to the leftover parts box, which I like to keep around. The junior box, Junior box is the leftover parts and unused stuff. Yeah. So that's where I put that stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and finish this puzzle. Not this puzzle, but this project up by putting that C4 capacitor I was telling you about. This. And that's going to go, it's going to connect the 3 and the 1. Then we're going to have I already put that on. Then we're gonna have a anything else. We're gonna have a 3 that goes along, connecting that 1 and another 3 of its size. And I think that's about it. So let's oh, we forgot the most important part, the slide switch. Okay, so that's gonna connect there like so. Okay, let's turn it on. Might have missed something. Yeah, I think I missed something. Let me just double check to make sure that we've got everything. Four across, we've got that. Yes. Yes. Oh no, we don't have that. Excuse me. Oh, well that's where that other one went. Jeez. Well, good thing I keep spare parts, but I don't know why I put that back. But there's still another one in here. No, that's all. I'm gonna grab one from here. Okay, that's one. It's gonna go over here. Where? Oh, here. Then we're gonna have a 2, which is gonna connect there. That should cut it. That should cut it. It's on. Yep, there it goes. So, you see, when it's on, and I have it on the low end, except I am going to have to be quiet. You might hear that. That's the drizzle sound. Once I get it up, like here, it's the middle. You can hear it getting faster. And even slower as I slow down. Well, it's a cool project. Okay, and that's project number 533, electronic rain, just a reminder. And this is the manual that it is, project 512 to 692 Circuits 750 Extreme.